West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is facing flack for her comments on the Durgapur gang rape case which took place in West Midnapur district on Friday. Mamata Banerjee on Sunday said that why did the authorities of the private medical college allow the girl to step out at 12:30 a.m. especially when the college is situated in a forested area. The BJP lashed out at Mamata Banerjee for her comments, saying that the police complaint states that the incident took place around 8 p.m. on Friday and also that this was a Taliban government. They likened it to a Taliban regime here in West Bengal and questioned why women should not be going on, women in medical professions, in the nursing professions or IT professions. Should these women not be stepping out for their profession at different hours of the day? The BJP leader Agnipatra Paul did say that do not lie. So that is also something that is coming from the BJP. Mamata on the same day on Sunday clarified that her comments were being distorted and said that do not play nasty politics with her comments. Meanwhile, on Monday, leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari reached Durgapur. He met the family of the victim. He also wanted to meet the doctor treating the victim. However, both the family members and Shubhendu Adhikari were not allowed to meet the doctor treating the victim. There is a fourth arrest in this case which was made on Monday, and Shubhendu Adhikari alleges that there is a TMC link to this particular arrest. So far, there are 4 arrests that have been made. 3 have already been remanded to 10 days police custody and 2 others have been detained. The male friend who was accompanying this victim when they stepped out of the premises on Friday was also questioned. However, he was not there when this incident took place, but police are looking at other angles. As far as the Orissa government officials are concerned, who visited the college on Sunday and also met police officials to see whether the case was taking the right course of action, they said that they are happy with the progress in this case. However, the father fears for the safety of his daughter and has appealed to the Orissa Chief Minister to ask for a transfer for this girl, saying that she could be attacked in future. As far as the case is concerned, there are developments that are taking place and the political battle between the TMC and the BJP over this incident continues.